forum of UGM Connect web app is made up of two components, the sidebar and the chat components. These two main components are further divided into smaller components. I will discuss the chat component into more detail. As mentioned before, React builds components that represent part of the web UI. The component is in the form of a JavaScript function that returns HTML, or part of the web UI in a special syntax called GSX, which is an HTML JavaScript hybrid. Chat component is embodied in chat.js, which is a typical React functional component that returns the GSX element that generally looks like this. Inside chat.js, there are two subcomponents, which are the chat_header.js that is displayed at the top of the chat window, and post.js that is responsible to render the chats among users. At the moment, chat_header.js is only functioned to hold the channel name of the chat room. The chat.js itself has a function to capture users' input and push it to Firebase database to be archived. It then calls on post.js to display the input from the user on the chat window. The user's input is captured via a form object. Three React event handlers onSubmit, onClick, and onChange are responsible to listen to the state of the user chat props, which include text message, image, or text and image. Upon trigger, those event handlers call on handleChange to update the state of the props and handleUpload to finally push the state of the props to Firebase database. React useEffectHook tells React to perform data fetching through real-time connection to Firebase database. These are the archived states of the props. These props are then passed on to post.js to be displayed on the chat window. At that point, chat.js has completed one cycle of user input processing and stands by for the next cycle.